today is going to be a grocery haul. Today is actually February 1st. So I needed to stock up on some things just to get me started for the month. I had to go to the store by myself, so I had to lug all this on transportation and everything by myself. So I didn't buy as much as I probably would usually buy, even though this might seem like a lot. And I needed some cash because I didn't have any cash. And anyways, I'm just trying to make enough meals till Ronnie gets to feeling better. He's okay. He's just a little sick at his stomach today. And I told him to stay home and rest. So he's upstairs actually napping. And I am going to make him some delicious chicken soup today. And I got these 2 chickens. These are 2 whole chickens. Now, 1 chicken was $8 and something today. When these were on sale, as you can see here, it's upside down, for $12.34. So I just opted to get the 2 fat chickens. I left them in this bag in case they're leaking. But I bought them today, and I'm going to cook them today. So keep that in mind. I know some people don't like buying, meat that's on sale. They're afraid it won't keep and all this kind of thing. But I'm going to cook this today. We also have gotten some broccoli florets because I bought pork chops, and we're going to have the broccoli and some rice one night. Also brings me to the shake and bake. I did buy 1 for pork and 1 for chicken because we use those all the time. And I just went ahead and got those because I think when I go back to the store, I may have an Aldi haul for you. So we'll see. I got some green grapes. Also going to do some stuffed peppers, mozzarella cheese, because I pretty much had everything to make lasagna, but I may have been short just a little bit of mozzarella cheese, so I went ahead and I bought that, which brings me to the little tub of cottage cheese that I put in my lasagna. And then these 2, my husband and I eat cottage cheese through the week, and we're addicted. I'm not going to lie. We're addicted to cottage cheese. I got my husband, since he's not feeling good, some 0 sugar ginger ale. He requested the ginger ale, and I didn't know it came in 0 sugar, so that's good for him. Some Dawn dish soap. Also, my Diet Coke that came up missing today. I was going to drink that while I was waiting for the bus, but somehow or another, I misplaced it, and it got put in my carry bags for the bus, and I guess I packed it up without even thinking about it, so I didn't get to drink it. But instead, I had a Happy Meal at McDonald's for lunch because I knew I was coming home and I was going to have to take care of Ron and get some dinner going and stuff going, so that was that. I got 2 cans of Febreze. We keep this in our bathrooms. I really like Febreze. Febreze has a good smell to it. Also, completely out of envelopes, so I bought a box of envelopes. That was one thing that I did remember that I was completely out of. 4 weeks going to Walmart. No lie, 4 weeks. No coffee. Today I scored. They had my coffee. These are the jumbo cans. We love this coffee. 1 can lasts me a month. I bought 2 today. I'm like, yeah, I'm taking public transportation and I'm by myself, but I am going to get home with 2 cans. I'm gonna do it. So we've got some chicken broth for soup today. Y'all remember my spring chicken soup recipe? That's what I'm going to make Ron today. I think he will really like it. It's the one where you put fresh dill in it. It's delicious. It's got zucchini and carrots. I haven't made it in probably since I moved away from Memphis, but I'm going to make it today because it sounds good to me too. Some taco seasonings. I wasn't sure how many I had, and I just needed to make sure that I had them. Cabbage for a taco cabbage casserole. It's going to be delicious. I stocked up again on my favorite spaghetti sauce. Mushroom. I got 3 of those. This is my zucchini down here. It's kind of sorry looking, but it'll serve its purpose in soup. Some fruit mix. This is just the, like fruit cocktail. And then I got 2 of the peaches, sliced peaches. I like to put it in my cottage cheese sometime and just have that for lunch, nothing else. And then I got some onions, some butter, my favorite breakfast of all times, cocoa wheats. Oh my gosh, I love cocoa wheats. I go through a box a winter, and I haven't had any yet this year. And when I seen that, I was like, oh, I gotta have that. That sounds so amazing. Got some bananas. I did buy some Hershey Kisses. I think I'm gonna make some Valentine cookies with those. I don't know yet. Some turkey meat that I'm gonna divide and put in freezer bags. This is my pork chops that I bought that was on clearance. Those are going to go in the freezer. And a very bad, I haven't tried these on, but I have the receipt. I had some hearing aid batteries that I no longer needed, and I took them back, and those were like $12 and something, which is ridiculous for hearing aid batteries, y'all. It's crazy, but I didn't need them anymore, so I took them back. And if you know me, I have boots with heels, but I don't have flats. And these have a pretty nice heel. I haven't tried these on, but if they don't fit, I will take them back. But they were on clearance today. In fact, if you all are looking for winter boots, they had a ton of snow boots on clearance today. Like some of them was like $7 for kids, for adults, for men. So they had a lot of shoes on sale today. They had slippers on sale. They had winter socks, all of that on sale. Not anything that I specifically needed, but I did see these because oftentimes I want to wear a dress but I don't want to wear heels. Like I'm in a situation where I need to do a good bit of substantial walking, or I'm going to be on my feet. And I want to look nice, but I don't want to wear the heels, guys. I just don't. So I opted for these, and I'm going to try these on and see if they fit. If they do, great. If they don't, I'm going to take them back. They're 8.5. And I have the ones that's similar to this with the heel on the back. So I'm thinking these will fit me. Sometimes I have to size up a little, like a half, because of the narrowness of the toe. So we'll see if these will work. Hopefully they do. If not, like I said, I'll take them back. But that is all that I have today to show you. I'm going to quickly put all of this away. I'm going to put my chickens in the oven, get those roasting and get those cooked so I can get my husband's soup on the go and get him on the mend. And I will be talking to y'all again soon. If you all are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment because I read all of them. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye, guys.